Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. I'm Dr. Sanana Rahman and today we're talking about the development of the eye. The development of eye has been divided into 5 sections. In first section we'll have an overview. In the overview we'll discuss various sources of development as to how and what parts contribute to the development of eye. Then we'll see the formation of the optic vesicle, in it leading to the formation of lens placode. Then finally we'll talk about the choroid fissure and the hyloid vessel development. In the second section we'll talk about the retina, that is the photopigment layer of the eye, and the optic nerve. We'll see the development of the retina in itself. Then we'll see how the optic nerve is formed, and finally we'll talk about some clinical correlates which include the retinal detachment and papillary edema. Then in the third section we'll talk about the lens, the sclera, the choroid, and the ciliary body. So we'll see the development of lens first, then we'll move on to the sclera and the choroid. We'll see how sclera and the choroid actually develop, and finally we'll talk about the development of the ciliary body. In the fourth section we'll talk about other parts of the eyeball. These include the development of iris and the cornea. Then we'll talk about the anterior and the posterior chambers of the eye, and finally the vitreous body and the clinical correlates as to what happens when the development does not go as planned. And finally, in the fifth section, we'll see the accessory structures of the eyeballs. These include the eyelids, the conjunctival sac, and the lacrimal gland. We'll see the lacrimal sac and the development of the nasolacrimal duct, and finally we'll talk about the anomalies of the eyelids. I hope you're excited about today's lecture. For further such lectures, keep watching sqadia.com.